Good day everyone. We want to show you the website that we created for our beloved Barangay Santa Monica, Novaliches, Quezon City. On the upper left side, you will see the logo of the barangay, and in the other side, you will see the logo of the municipality, which is the Quezon City. Let's take a look at homepage. On the homepage, you will see the barangay background and the barangay personnel, and the barangay chairman, kagawad, secretary, and treasurer. Want to know more about Barangay Santa Monica? Just click About Us, and you will know the vision and mission of the barangay, the demographic information, and the political information, also a barangay government, and of course, the barangay profile. The barangay profile, it has the facts and figures, also the information about the barangay. If you have need in barangay, just click the appointment and fill in your information. Enter your name, your email, your contact number, and date of appointment. And the important is your need in barangay. The example is the barangay clearance. After you enter your information, proceed to submit. And lastly, we have contact us. In contact us, you will see our Facebook account, messenger, contact number, and email.